Okay, so get this. Suunto has a new watch leaked called the Suunto Run. And thanks to a listing that showed up on a Spanish retailer's website, we know how it looks and some of its specs. And honestly, it looks like Suunto's way of saying, you want the race, but without the price tag, we got you. Now, according to earlier leaks, and backed up by this new one, it's got a 1.32-inch AMOLED screen, and it's protected by tough Gorilla Glass. The body is plastic to keep things light, but there's still a stainless steel bezel around the face to give it that premium look. Water resistance, 5 ATM. Weight, super light, somewhere between 35 and 45 grams, so it won't feel bulky on your wrist. Now, the previous leak said it had 34 sport modes, but it turns out there are over 90. That covers everything from running and cycling to probably a few activities you've never even heard of. The previous leak also mentions supports for training plans, has built-in music storage, and features dual band GNSS, so your GPS won't freak out the moment you're under tree cover. Battery life's looking solid, up to 20 days max, but if you're hammering GPS, expect closer to 20 hours, still decent for most people. And yep, it might come with a comfy Velcro strap too, which is always a win if you're wearing it all day. Now, the big one, price. It's listed in Spain at 249 euros. That's way cheaper than Suunto's Race, which starts at 399 euros and even undercuts the Race S at 349. You're getting a solid watch with a lot of the good stuff, just without extras like offline maps, according to earlier leaks. All signs point to a launch soon, so if you've been eyeing a new watch but don't want to break the bank, this one's worth watching. So yeah, the Suunto Run looks like it's coming in hot, and honestly, for the price and currently known feature set, it might just hit the sweet spot for runners who want the essentials without all the fluff. You eyeing this one or waiting to see what else drops? Let me know. Peace.